The Impressions 50-gallon Bark Rain Saver is a feature-rich modern rain barrel. It comes equipped with 2 brass spigots and offset locations to accommodate buckets, hoses, and linking. An anti-debris screen protects the harvested water from leafy debris, while a built-in overflow channel diverts water to the front of the planter top, which also includes a drainage spout that escapes down over the unique bark texture. The Impressions 50-gallon Bark Rain Saver is a great water storage solution for any home.
Realize the wonderful advantages that fresh, soft, and free rainwater has using an RTS Home Accents rain barrel. Our rain barrels are designed with a unique, authentic oak barrel texture that are the closest thing to an actual wood barrel you can find. Rotationally molded from commercial-grade UV-stabilized polyethylene, you can rest assured these barrels will not fade, rot, or risk infestation. Another unique feature is the flat back design. This allows you to situate your rain barrel flush against a wall. Additional features include the ability to link multiple barrels to increase water collection, an aluminum screen to keep out debris and insects, a brass spigot shutoff valve for hose hookup, and dual overflow options to keep water from flooding against your outside wall. Our top-of-the-line rain barrels are available in mud, oak, or deco design. Even more in tune with the environment, our Eco Rain barrel is made from 100% recycled plastic.
The Rain Wizard 50 is a 50-gallon polyethylene rain barrel made to collect and recycle rainwater, which you can use for gardening or around the house. Its beautiful faux oak appearance and color make it attractive and right at home with any outdoor decor. The rugged brass spigot will endure outdoor stresses while retaining that charming classical look. Connector nodes allow barrels to be linked together, and the flat back design keeps the barrel flush against your walls for convenience and support. A fine mesh screen filters out leafy debris and insects, while an overflow node keeps the barrel from overflowing against your foundation. Setting up the barrel is simple. Start by removing the screen with a screwdriver. Reach down into the barrel and find the hardware bag, which contains the brass spigot and Teflon tape. Open the tape and wrap it around the threads of the spigot in a clockwise direction as viewed from the back of the spigot. Screw in the spigot, being mindful not to cross threads as you do so. Then finish tightening with a wrench. Next, you'll want to find a desirable location that's mostly flat. Measure your downspout for modification. A simple elbow piece or diverter kit can be used. Just be sure to follow instructions included with any additional hardware. Remove the downspout from the side of your house, and using a hacksaw or other cutting tool, cut along the mark you previously made. But please use caution when using sharp tools. Reattach your downspout and position your barrel. Now all you have to do is sit back and wait for the rains to come. Once you have water in your barrel, you can begin using it for whatever you'd like. Plants love fresh rainwater because it's devoid of harsh chemicals and naturally soft. If you use the stand accessories seen here, you can expect greater water pressure, room for buckets, and a safer, more attractive alternative to cinder blocks. And don't forget, the Rain Wizard 50 comes in 4 additional colors, so you can match it with any home siding. With major drought and water conservation emerging in our society, there's no better time to do your part than right now with the Rain Wizard 50. It makes recycling water so easy, you'll think it's magic.
Hello everyone. Congratulations on your purchase of the Enviro World FreeGarden Rain Barrel. Rainwater is an economical and sustainable resource that can be used in many ways, including the washing of your car and the watering of your garden. Our rain barrels are easy to use and install. Here is what you'll need to get started: a hacksaw, safety goggles, a screwdriver, and gloves. First, choose a location for your rain barrel that is below a downspout and on firm and level ground. Next, place the rubber gasket on the spout and through the hole on the front of the barrel. Hold the nut in place and tighten. Be careful not to over-tighten. Place the barrel beside your downspout to mark the required cut. Make sure to allow enough room for the barrel, lid, and elbow spout. Put on your safety glasses and gloves and, using your hacksaw, cut the downspout and attach your existing elbow spout. Choose which side overflow spout you will use. Both spouts are blocked by a plastic disc by default. Remove the disc by inserting a slot screwdriver or chisel into the overflow tube from the outside and gently tap with a hammer around the edges. Attach the overflow hose using the hose clamp and a slot screwdriver. Direct the other end of the hose to wherever your downspout originally drained. Place the lid onto the barrel and attach using the provided screws in order to make it child safe. Again, be careful not to over-tighten. Finally, place your assembled bin under the downspout and make sure it is level and stable. Now, all you have to do is wait for the rain.
The Impressions 50-gallon Nantucket Rain Saver is an excellent rain collection unit with a modern thick wicker texture that will never fray. The lower brass spigot is located at the front of the barrel and is useful for hoses, while a second is placed at the side for use with buckets and linking. The planer top is self-draining to avoid root rot. The included screen blocks out debris, and the overflow channel diverts water towards the barrel's front to keep foundations dry. The Impressions Nantucket Rain Saver is so feature-rich and good-looking, it will definitely leave an impression.